Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Poppy Playtime Chapter 5 not launching or crashing on PC. If your game won't start, freezes on launch, or crashes randomly, follow these solutions one by one. Let's get started. Solution 1. Open Steam. Go to your library. Locate Poppy Playtime. Right-click it and select Properties. Click on Installed Files. Select Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait for Steam to scan and repair your game files. Once finished, try launching the game again. Solution 2. Open the Start menu. Type Device Manager and open it. Expand Display Adapters. Right-click your GPU. Select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers. Wait for Windows to update your graphics card. Solution 3. If you use an NVIDIA graphics card, open the Start menu. Type NVIDIA app and open it. Go to the Drivers tab, click Check for Updates. Install any available updates. Solution 4. Open the link in the video description. Scroll down and download vc_redis.x86. Then download vc_redis.x64. Next, locate the downloaded files. Double-click vc_redis.x64. Accept the terms and click Yes. Wait for installation to finish and click Close. Do not restart yet. Double-click vc_redis.x86. Accept the terms and install it. Now restart your PC. And that's it! After restarting, launch Poppy Playtime Chapter 5 again. The crashing or launching issue should now be fixed. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.